Anggun, Aulia, Rahayu, and I want to talk about climate change. What's the definition of climate change? Climate change means long-term changes in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. Human activities making this happen much faster. What causes of climate change? The main cause is greenhouse gases building up in the temperature like carbon dioxide or CO2 and methane. These gases trap heat from the sun inside the earth, and this is called the greenhouse effect. What's the factor? Several things make this worse, like burning fossil fuels for electricity and transportation, deforestation, industrial waste, and poor waste management. What's the impact? The effects are huge, such as global temperatures are rising, weather is becoming more extreme and harder to predict, polar ice is melting, sea levels are rising, and many areas face crop failures. One factor is often seen as small, but it actually matters a lot. That factor is food waste. When food rots in landfills, it makes methane gas. This gas traps even more heat than CO2. There are several facts, and I will let you know. Fact 1. The scale of the problem. A 2021 study by Bapenas looked at this closely. Indonesia wastes 23 to 48 million tons of food every year. That's about 115 to 184 kilograms per person per year. That's a lot of food. It took land, water, and energy to grow. Then it just got thrown away. Indonesia is also known as one of the world's top food wasters, based on global data from the Economist Intelligence Unit. And the fact too, the link to climate change. These waste doesn't just disappear, it erodes and makes greenhouse gases. Food waste in Indonesia release around 85 million tons of CO2 equivalent emission every year. That gas heats up our planet, and this isn't only an Indonesia problem. About one third of all food made for people globally is lost or wasted. This adds about 4.4 gigatons of greenhouse gases every year. So food waste is a real climate issue, not just a small habit. The last fact, or fact 3, the painful irony. Food waste also causes a lot. It causes an economic loss of 213 to 551 trillion rupiah every year. That's about 4 to 5% of Indonesia GDP, gross domestic product. But the saddest part is this. The wasted food could feed 61 to 125 million people every year. Yet many Indonesians still don't have enough food. So while some food gets thrown away, other people go hungry. So when we talk about climate change, don't just think about factories or cars. Food waste seems small, but it really adds to global warming. It also wastes money and food that people need. The the solution is simple. Cook the right amount, store food properly, and finish a leftover. Small steps like this can help fight climate change. I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye.